This is Newcap News with Lauren Poland.
Good evening and thanks so much for joining us. Police are searching for a 22-year-old man from Two Hills after he failed to show up for his court date. Isaac Rempel is charged with dangerous operation of a motor vehicle causing death after he was allegedly involved in a fatal crash in 2010 that claimed the life of a 55-year-old woman. Rempel was supposed to appear in St. Paul Court yesterday, and now RCMP have issued a warrant for his arrest. If you've seen the 22-year-old or know his whereabouts, you're asked to call police or Crime Stoppers. The city is cracking down on those with outstanding property taxes. There are 4 lots being prepared for public auction in the new year, a first for the city of Lloydminster.
We get to a point where we have to effectively enforce those things which are available to us in order to be credible and to be believed when we say that our management says this is what we're going to do.
A tax lien was registered against each property last year, with the owners receiving a letter in December explaining that as of the end of March of 2012, the properties would qualify for sale. The city is looking to recoup over $30,000 in outstanding taxes.
But basically, we're just following the guidelines through the Municipal Government Act, the MGA. So at this point, we needed to come up with, council had to approve a reserve bid and any conditions for sale. And now we can go forward and we can set a date for our public auction.
3 of the properties are still lived in by their owners, who can still make arrangements to clear up the taxes until the date of the sale.
The way it works is once the city actually advertises the public auction, we actually technically can take possession of the property. So really, once we've gone through our due diligence and set the date, we could take possession of the property. Again, hopefully not my intention. We are trying to communicate with these people.
The auction is expected to happen in January or early February. Well, reaching target goals for healthcare in and around the border city could impact the pay CEOs and VPs of the Prairie North Health Region Board receive. The executive pay for performance was voted on this afternoon during the board's monthly meeting. The initiative was brought in last year. In order for the CEO or VPs to earn 100% of their salary, they need to meet health targets they, as well as the province, set up for the year. For example, one of the goals is surgery wait times. Patients should be seen by a surgeon within 6 months.
We're tracking our data throughout the year, so we know what is happening. For example, our financial picture will be one of our targets, and that's reviewed every month at the board meeting. Some of the other targets are reviewed quarterly.
The board says this is a great way to ensure health targets are met in a timely fashion and that all levels, such as executives and hospital staff and administration, work together. A local company kicked off its 5th annual toy drive. Automated Tank Manufacturing has been running the charity event since it set up shop in Kitscoty. Bart Patiasik brings us more.
We started 5 years ago upon opening Automated Tank, and since then it has grown incredibly well, and all the toys that we gather in clothing and food and that will go over to the Salvation Army and to the food bank.
They will also be donating a portion of their haul to the Thorpe Centre. Since inception, the toy drive has collected a record number of gifts for local charities.
First year we did it, we had 50 toys. Last year, altogether, we collected over 2,000 toys, along with gift certificates and some cash donations.
Donations accepted include toys, gift cards, and cash, as well as any food will be given to the local food bank. A special guest will even drop by to wrap up the toy drive on the 15th.
Santa will be here at 1 o'clock for all the kids that are around that want to come in and see Santa and get a picture taken. He always seems to spend a little time out there eating cookies and entertaining the kids.
Donations will be accepted at Automated Tank or at Calrock Industries in Lloydminster. For more information, you can call Automated Tank at the number on your screen. Bart Patiasik, Newcap News.